Viva Msholozi, viva! Jikijela Mkhonto, jikijela! Manje ekumele ngitshele umphakathi njoba ngila ngideploy yasekuruleni. Nginama portfolios engiseva kuwe lapha e-legislature. You'll understand ukuthi asikangeni ku council. Ingakho ukuthi kulama election ka 2026 sicela ukuthi nisiphe i-opportunity. Ngiseva ku committee ye agriculture and environment. Yingakho namhlanje nibonile ukuthi sila ukuthi sizoyenza ukuthi kuyacleanwa as an environment. And konke lokho sikwenzile, I'm going to report ku portfolio la ngihlala kuyo ukuthi what was the condition. And sithembisa nabantu ukuthi kulabo abakhona abanezingadi abomama abazenzela ingadi sizobaziveze sizokwazi ukubasiza sibone ukuthi sibasiza kanjani ukuthi bakwazi ukutshala. Ngine ku portfolio na ku sports art and recreation yila khona esithi khona ama artist wethu, whether a disabled artist or it's a normal artist, abeze bazibonakalise inkinga zabo ababhekana nazo. Sikhona siyi-ofisi i-PCO yethu ese-Bosberg lapha e-Eastern Mall eduze nase-Rank. Ziletheni ukhongolose, ugovernment wekhongolose uyasitshela kuma-report wabo ukuthi bayalekelela ama-social clubs, ayanekelela ama-soccer clubs. Asikuboni la ekuhlaleni lokho, mara anyeke siyakhuluma kakhulu menina ningazanga nazo silethela inkinga zenu. So sicela ukuthi bonke abakuma-sports, art and recreation beze lapha e-PCO bazositshela inkinga zabo sikwazi ukubasiza. Amandla
awethu.